Hi, this is Ruben, engineer and intern at Ceratech, and welcome to our tips and tricks tutorial series. Thank you for watching this video on the second part of 2D meshing, focused on the actual meshing. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you have any suggestions or specific requests for tutorials on topics you'd like us to create, please add them in the comments below. Additionally, if you have any questions about anything covered in this video, please be sure to ask your questions in the comments. If you'd like to see other tutorials like this, please check out our other videos here on our YouTube channel. We also offer our online customer enablement series held on the first and third Thursday of each month. This is a free 30-minute live video tutorial series where our software experts will share tips, techniques, and knowledge that will help you sharpen your skills. To sign up for this series, please contact us at info@ceratech.com. Okay, so let's get back into the content of this video. So now we have all of our 2D sheets, but we want to combine them into one big sheet. We want to combine them into one part. So in order to do this, we do this through the nodes, and we want to line up our nodes, and then we want to merge our nodes. The first step into lining up our nodes is to see where our faces are, where our sheets are intersecting, and we're going to use this divide face tool to create a line that will help us line up our nodes. So we want to select the face to divide, which is this face. We want to select the face that it's going to divide, which is this face. We don't want to hide the dividing objects. And we want to go ahead and click this box that says Extend Dividing Object to Meet Face Edge. So we click that and we go to Preview, and you see that it creates a line right here, and that's exactly what we're looking for. So we're going to go ahead and apply that, and we're going to do that to everywhere that they intersect. So we have another intersection right here. This is the face to divide. This is the face doing the dividing. We're going to go ahead and click Apply. Again, we have two more intersections. We're going to flip this down. The face to divide is this big face, and then the face that is dividing is this face. We're going to go ahead and click Apply. We're going to zoom out. We're going to go ahead and do the same for this face. I'm going to click OK. So now we see that all of our faces have been divided. So now we can actually go into the meshing. So now that we can move on to the meshing, we're going to be done with the idealized part, and we're going to head back over to our FEM model. So we're going to open up the FEM model, and we're going to see that we still have some solid bodies showing, so we're going to go ahead and hide those. We just want to work with strictly the sheets. And from here we can finally apply our mesh to capture our geometry. So we're going to click on the 2D mesh. We're going to click on automatic element size, and we're going to have it at 0.5. We're going to go ahead and mesh this sheet right here, apply. And we're going to go ahead and go one by one and click all of these sheets and mesh them. Let it load. Sometimes meshing can take a little while, so we're just going to let it load, and we're just going to go one by one. Once this is done, we're going to go ahead and add our add our materials. It's very important that we add our materials, because if we don't, we're going to get errors. So we're going to go to our 2D collector, we're going to open up, we're going to go to each and every one of them, we're going to right click, we're going to hit edit, and we're going to add materials. For this material, we'll just go ahead and add a basic aluminum 6061. Okay. Actually, before I go, we're also going to want to add thickness, and the thickness is going to be the same thickness that you modeled it as the 3D part. So we're going to have, this one is going to be 4 inches. We're going to click OK. And you're just going to want to go ahead and do that for all of them. So this one, same process, aluminum 6061. The default thickness is 1 inch for these. Click OK. Edit, same process, aluminum 61, thickness 1 inch, OK. So now that our mesh and our materials have been applied, we want to make sure that our nodes are lined up. So we're going to go ahead and zoom in. We're going to turn this, we're going to zoom in, turn this to the other side. We're going to see that we have one node right here, one node right here, and one node right here. So we're going to go to more, we're going to click on duplicate nodes, we're going to select both of these bodies, and we're going to see that they are. However, since we will be changing, since we will be applying a mesh control to the bottom surface, we're going to have to apply one right here. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to split the face, and when you do this, you want to create a line as straight as possible. So we're going to go ahead and grab this point right here. We're going to go ahead and grab this node right here. We're going to click OK. As you can see, it creates this straight line right here. Then we're going to update the mesh. And now these faces are split right there. We're going to go ahead and do this on the other side as well. Split right here. Sorry. Always want to grab this far edge first. Split right here. Split right here. Click apply. Update. So now we see that the mesh changes right here. We're going to want to go ahead and apply a mesh with just 2 elements. We're going to go ahead and click automatic, and we're going to click OK. And then we're going to want to go ahead and hide this. Sorry. I want to go ahead and hide this. And apply the mesh to the same edge, but on the other surface. Automatic, click OK, and should be good to go. Now, I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to do the same thing on this other side. Zoom in. We're going to want to go ahead and split the faces. Grab it from this edge right here to this node right here. Click OK, update. And then the same thing one more time. This edge right here, this node right here. Okay, and update. And then we're going to want to apply the mesh control one more time. Just leave it at 2. Automatic, click OK. And then we're going to want to hide this one as well as this one. And we're going to want to hide it. Okay, mesh control, grab that same edge, automatic, hit OK. And now we're going to want to do the same for the bottom. We're going to go in here. And here we're going to see that they actually don't line up. So this is more of a reason to do it right here. So we're going to go ahead and split the face from this edge right here to this node right here. Click OK. Hit update. And do the same thing one more time. Split face. We're going to grab this node and this node. And we're going to hit OK and update again. So now we notice is that we're going to grab this same edge, and this time we're going to want to grab the top one, and we're going to want to go ahead and increase this to about 6. Hit automatic, and you see that the mesh actually changes to to align to the number of nodes that you give it. So we're going to add another one right here and one more, and you see that the nodes finally line up right here. So we know that it's 8. We're going to click OK. We're going to go ahead and hide this body, apply, and we're going to apply that same mesh to the bottom just to make sure that they always line up. Click automatic, we're going to click OK, and it should be good to go. So the same thing is going to be done over here. We're going to zoom in, we're going to split the face from this node to this node. Click OK, update, and split the face one more time from this node to this node. Click OK, update. And we're going to want to apply the mesh control one more time to this edge right here. We want it 8 again. It's going to be the same as the other one. Hit automatic. It updates automatically. So now we're going to go ahead and hide this right here. Once we hide these sheets, we're going to go ahead and mesh control the same edge. But for the other part, hit automatic. And you see that they line up once again. In order to make sure that they line up all together, we're going to go ahead and go back to our trusty more duplicate nodes, and we're going to highlight our whole model, and as you can see, they do line up. If we want a sanity check, we can zoom in more, and you see that they indeed all line up and that there are no free edges. That's going to do it for us today on the second part of 2D meshing, focusing on the actual meshing. Thanks for watching our tips and tricks tutorial series. This is Ruben, Engineering Internet Ceratech. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out our other support videos here on our YouTube channel and tune into our customer enablement series every first and third Thursday of the month. Thank you, guys.
Thanks for checking out our channel. If you like what you saw, make sure to like and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any new videos. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter for the latest engineering news and information. And to see all of our upcoming events, please visit our website at ceratech.com/events.